Sunlight paints the forest floor in shifting patterns of light and shadow. A vibrant red fox moves with stealth, a flash of color against the backdrop. The lone fox cautiously enters a nearby village, its nose twitching, sensing unrest amid the scent of potential food. Overturned carts and scattered debris paint a picture of chaos as the fox navigates the disarray. Villagers clash, their voices rising in anger, the air thick with frustration and despair. "I can't pay these taxes. King John will bleed us dry," a villager shouts, echoing the collective suffering. The fox continues its journey, slipping into the nearby castle. It's a shadow among shadows as hushed whispers echo around it. Whispers in the castle, painting a grim picture of King John's failing reign. The fox's gaze sharpens, spotting King John standing aloof, detached from his people's plight. But outside the castle, the air vibrates with unspoken resolve. The fox sees a group of nobles who seem to have a plan. The figures gather around tables, their faces etched with concern and hope. In June of the year 1215, at Runnymede, the lone fox observes King John facing the barons, its gaze sharp and knowing. Tension hangs heavy as a fierce power struggle unfolds. Each baron's stance reflects unwavering determination, a stand against royal tyranny. A scribe meticulously prepares the Magna Carta, each stroke a challenge to royal power. King John, his face a mask of reluctant compliance, prepares to seal the Magna Carta. His royal seal imprints upon the document, a seismic shift in power. Barons celebrate their victory, their triumphant shouts echoing across the field. The fox returns to the village, sensing a palpable shift in the air. Where despair once reigned, villagers now move with an unexpected lightness. A new hope blossoms in their eyes, reflecting a collective optimism. The fox returns to the forest, its fur ablaze with the sunset's final glow. Echoes of the Magna Carta's signing linger, a newfound awareness etched in its eyes.